video for the homework titled Exponents. Let's take a look at this one. Explain the difference between negative 2 to the fourth and, in parentheses, negative 2 to the fourth. So what's happening here is in the first example, there's only one negative. It's a negative in front that's going to be applied after the exponent. When we put the negative in a set of parentheses, now that negative comes with every single 2, and so we have 4 negatives. So in the first example, we've got negative 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. And in the second example, we've got negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2 times negative 2. And in this first example, 2 times 2 is 4 times 2, 8 times 2, 16. Then we apply the negative. It becomes negative 16. In this example, negative 2 times negative 2, positive 4 times 2, negative 8 times negative 2, positive 16. So the first one is negative. The second one evaluates to be positive. 1 to the power of anything is equal to 1, because you just keep multiplying ones. It'll never change. It'll stay 1. Anything to the power of 0 equals 1 as well. This is just sort of a rule of math. It makes the patterns in exponents work much better. So 1 to the power of 17, that's 1. 34 to the power of 0, also 1. All right, let's take a look at some of these expressions. Let's remember PEMDAS, we do parentheses first and then exponents second. So with number 6, we do the 5 minus 3 first, that becomes a 2. 2 squared is 2 times 2, that's 4. Number 7, the negative 2 gets squared, that becomes a positive 4, so we got negative 4 minus 4, that's negative 8. Negative 4 minus 1 squared is just 1, which equals negative 5. Negative 2 cubed, that's negative 2 times negative 2, which is positive 4, times another negative 2 is negative 8. Then we do the minus 4, and we get negative 12. Let's skip down and see if there's any that look maybe a little bit more challenging. Here we've got some stacks of exponents. So what we do is the inside one first, and then work our way out. 2 cubed, that's 2 times 2 times 2, that's 8. So this simplifies to be 8 squared, which we know is 64. 8 times 8 is 64. And here, 3 squared is 9. 9 squared is 81. All right, is 6,792 divisible by 3? Check using our rules of divisibility. So if it is, then if I add up 6 plus 7 plus 9 plus 2, this sum should also be divisible by 3 if the original number is divisible by 3. Let's see, that's 13 plus 9 is 22, plus 2 is 24. If I'm still not sure if 24 is divisible by 3, just do it again. 2 plus 4 equals 6. 6 definitely is divisible by 3, so yes. 6,792 must be evenly divisible by 3. All right, just while I've got you here, let's go over terminology real quick. When we have an exponent, the bottom of the exponent is called the base, and the top is the power. Okay, and the power tells you how many times to multiply the base by itself. All right, well, have a good rest of your day. Hopefully this has been helpful.